guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making aloo samosas. For this, we'll be needing potatoes or aloo. We need 1 kg, so that's approximately 6 medium potatoes. And so these might look mashed, but they are not. These are finely chopped. So I'm going to give you an example on how to cut these. Okay, what you do is you chop them in half from the center. Then once these are half, you cut the top off of both. These potatoes are boiled, so they're easier to cut also and strained, but we're not mashing them also because they leave a lot of starch, as potatoes have starch. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm cutting them, but I'm not cutting them all the way to the end. I'm going to cut these off like this, so they're fine cubes now. And you just want to separate them. Show you do that. Yeah, they're done. And then you put them in here. Okay, I'm gonna do this with the rest of my potatoes and put them in the bowl. And I'll see you when they're all finally chopped. I'm gonna set this aside. And I'm gonna be telling you the rest of our ingredients needed. For this, we're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of garlic, which is lasan, and I have the paste over here. 1 tablespoon of butter and some happy cow cheese, which is this one in the triangle shot form, and they're cut into this long form. For the spices, we will be needing 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili flakes, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of zira powder, half teaspoon of black seed, which is kalonji, half teaspoon of black pepper. And for the herbs, we'll be needing 2 onions, which are cubed, 1/4 cup of coriander, 2 green onions, and our potatoes. And there's also green chilies over here. That's 2 green chilies, which are finely cut. Okay, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna turn the stove on. And we're going to add butter, so in our butter goes, and when this slightly starts to melt, we're just going to rotate the pan. You want adult supervision when you're doing this because you're dealing with a fire. And then our garlic paste goes in. I'm gonna keep this back. I'm gonna take onions, only our onions. I'm going to put them in here. There are onions. And we're going to we don't want the onions to change color. We're just going to lightly saute them. After around 1 minute to 2 minutes, we're going to be adding in our cubed potatoes. So in they go. And we're going to add in our spices, all of them. And we're just going to lightly saute these. We just want the spices to mix, and then we're going to bring it back to the tabletop. Now this is in and it's well mixed in. I'm going to let this cool in room temperature until all the heat has escaped, because whenever we're making the samosas, we don't want the aloo to be hot. So I'll see you when these have cooled down. I'm going to be showing you how to make the easy fold technique for these samosas. For this, we're going to be needing 2 sheets per samosa. So we're going to take 1 and we're just going to place them on top of each other in a cross way. And where they're intersecting, we're going to put some of this flour slurry, which is just flour with water mixed in it until it's a little thick. And we just want it to stick. We need to take some of our filling and just put it in the middle. I'm gonna take the sides that were at the bottom, and I'm going to put our slurry. Just make sure these stick well. And then some of our slurry again. And we're going to take these slides and stick them on. And then push it in. There. So that's the easy fold aloo samosa there. Okay, I'm gonna do this with the rest of my filling until it's finished, and I'll see you when these are all ready. Another way to make these aloo samosas are with the cheese that I told you about earlier. So what we're gonna do is make our same cross shape and some of our flour slurry in the middle just to make them stick. Okay, there. Now that's there. We're going to add our aloo. Just fill it in the middle. There. And we're going to take our cheese, just like put it in the middle. Okay, I'm using this cheese because when I've used it previously as well, and when you're making cheese naan and these kind of cheesy things and you just want the cheese to melt in your mouth, we are going to be using this cheese as it melts very easily. I'm just going to fold these. There you have it. Cheese aloo samosa. There. Okay. I'm gonna do this with the rest of my filling, and I'll see you when they're all done. While I'm folding these, I have fried 2 of them, and because tomorrow Ramzan starts, so we can't taste these while we're fasting, obviously, or else our fast will break. We're gonna try these beforehanded if we like them or not, and you know the answer, we do. These are how much I've done so far, and I'm going to continue making the rest, and I'll see you when Ramadan starts. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.